Femme Hadzabe dans la nature, journée choc, des secrets révélés. Essaie la ganja pour la première fois au cœur de la nature sauvage et intacte de la Tanzanie. Les femmes Hadzabe vivent selon des traditions ancestrales, s'appuyant sur leurs compétences inégalées en matière de survie pour récolter de la nourriture, trouver de l'eau et prendre soin de leur famille. Leur quotidien est une fascinante démonstration de résilience, de sagesse et d'une connexion profonde avec la nature. Mais aujourd'hui, quelque chose d'inattendu se produit. L'une des femmes Hadzabe essaie la ganja pour la première fois, entraînant une expérience inoubliable et totalement chaotique. De la force à la confusion, une expérience hors du commun. Connues pour leur endurance et leurs instincts aiguisés, les femmes Hadzabe sont rarement déstabilisées. Mais après sa première bouffée, tout change. Une vague de confusion et d'amusement s'empare d'elle. D'abord, elle éclate de rire de manière incontrôlable, incapable de comprendre ce qui lui arrive. Puis, les choses prennent une tournure étrange, son environnement semble différent, les bruits de la forêt deviennent plus intenses, et chaque mouvement lui paraît plus lent que d'habitude. Elle commence à parler en énigme, essayant d'expliquer ce qu'elle ressent, tandis que les autres la regardent avec un mélange de curiosité et d'inquiétude. Certaines jeunes femmes rient doucement, tandis que les anciennes secouent la tête, se demandant quelle étrange magie s'est emparée d'elle. Est-ce un moment d'illumination, ou juste du grand n'importe quoi? Fringales, pensées profondes et réactions hilarantes. Au fur et à mesure que les effets s'intensifient, la faim devient irrésistible. Soudainement, elle se lance dans une quête frénétique de nourriture. Elle attrape des fruits sauvages, mâche des feuilles au hasard et envisage même de mordre directement dans un rayon de miel encore rempli d'abeilles. Pendant ce temps, les tâches les plus simples deviennent un véritable défi comique. Marcher en ligne droite et parler normalement semble presque impossible. À un moment donné, elle fixe le feu avec une profonde réflexion et murmure « Les flammes dansent pour moi ». Une autre femme éclate de rire et répond « Tu es en train de voir des choses ». Mais la première insiste qu'elle n'a jamais été aussi sûre de quelque chose de toute sa vie. Une expérience inoubliable. Lorsque les effets commencent à s'estomper, elle retrouve lentement ses esprits, secouant la tête d'incrédulité face à ce qui vient de se passer. Les anciennes rient, lui disant que peut-être cette expérience est une leçon. Parfois, les cadeaux de la nature peuvent surprendre même ceux qui la connaissent le mieux. Bien que ce moment ait été totalement inattendu, il restera gravé dans les mémoires comme une aventure remplie de rire, de curiosité et de découvertes. Ce fut une journée comme aucune autre pour la tribu Hadzabe, une journée pleine de surprises.
Bichwa mana. Ingilaka.
Mama Samia. Laka. Mama Samia. Pana.
Wala kwenda na soda. Laka.
Pana.
Toa mkono.
Iso
Sema Mama Samia. Tano tena. Ehe. Mama.
Botano.
Mitano tena.
Parangu.
Te ame. Tuko hawa? Tuko. Kelele.
Hadzabe bushwoman in the wild, shocking day secrets revealed. Deep in the untamed wilderness of Tanzania, the Hadzabe bushwomen lead a life of resilience, wisdom, and survival. Isolated from the modern world, their days unfold in harmony with nature, following ancient rhythms passed down for thousands of years. Their existence is a testament to the strength of human adaptation, thriving in the wild where every skill, every movement, and every tradition holds meaning. A day of survival and strength from the first light of dawn, Hadzabe women awaken with the rising sun, ready to embrace the challenges of the day. With babies secured snugly on their backs and woven baskets in hand, they set off into the bush to gather food. Their expert eyes scan the terrain, identifying edible plants, fruits, and medicinal herbs with an accuracy only years of knowledge can provide. With bare hands and wooden digging sticks, they unearth nourishing roots, vital for the tribe's sustenance. Honey hunting is another vital skill. Using smoke and precise techniques, these women fearlessly retrieve honey from beehives hidden in the trees, enduring occasional stings as they extract one of nature's sweetest treasures. Their ability to locate and harvest food in the wild is not just impressive, it is essential for the survival of their community. Guardians of ancient wisdom beyond gathering food, Hadzabe women play a crucial role in preserving tribal knowledge. They pass down the secrets of herbal medicine, teaching the younger generation how to heal wounds, cure fevers, and treat ailments using the natural remedies found in their environment. Their wisdom extends beyond physical survival. They are the keepers of folklore, history, and tribal customs, ensuring that the spirit of their ancestors lives on. By the evening, as the golden sun dips below the horizon, the village comes alive with song, laughter, and storytelling. Women share their experiences of the day, recounting encounters with wildlife, the discovery of rare plants, and the lessons learned from nature. Around the fire, they teach young girls the art of crafting traditional jewelry, weaving, and even the subtle but vital skill of reading the land and weather patterns. A life of strength, beauty, and mystery. The life of a Hadzabe bushwoman is one of strength, endurance, and deep cultural pride. They do not rely on modern conveniences, but instead embrace the knowledge and traditions that have sustained their people for centuries. Each day is a delicate balance of work and celebration, hardship and joy, survival and community. Their way of life may seem distant from our modern reality, yet it holds powerful lessons about resilience, sustainability, and the importance of living in tune with the natural world. The Hadzabe women remind us that true strength lies not in possessions, but in knowledge, adaptability, and an unbreakable bond with the earth. Are you ready to uncover more of their hidden secrets? Hadzabe Bushmen try ganja for the first time. Deep in the heart of Tanzania, the Hadzabe Bushmen have lived for thousands of years as one of the last true hunter-gatherer tribes on Earth. Their days are spent tracking wild game, foraging for fruits and roots, and living in perfect harmony with the land. With no modern distractions, their minds remain sharp, their bodies agile, and their instincts finely tuned to the rhythms of nature. But on this particular day, something entirely unexpected unfolds. A few members of the tribe experiment with smoking ganja for the first time, and what follows is nothing short of wild. Curiosity sparks the first puff. The scene begins with curiosity. A small group of Hadzabe men gathers around as they observe the unfamiliar ritual of rolling and lighting up. With no prior exposure to cannabis, they are both skeptical and intrigued, watching as the thick smoke curls into the warm African air. The first brave soul takes a deep pull and exhales slowly, his face twisting in contemplation as the unfamiliar sensation washes over him. The others hesitate at first, but, encouraged by laughter and excitement, soon join in, passing the rolled leaves among themselves. As the minutes pass, the effects begin to take hold, and the once serious hunters are suddenly thrust into a world of confusion, amusement, and pure chaos. From laughter to confusion, the unexpected high at first, the mood is lighthearted, giggles erupt, and the normally stoic warriors begin cracking jokes, some of which make no sense even to them. One man bursts into uncontrollable laughter, clutching his stomach as tears stream down his face. Another stares into the distance, lost in deep thought, as if unlocking the secrets of the universe. Then, things take a turn. The concept of time seems to dissolve, and simple actions become hilariously difficult. One man attempts to stand up, only to sit right back down, unsure whether his legs are still working. Another waves his hand in front of his face, fascinated by the movement, while a third starts speaking in riddles that even he doesn't understand. A few become paranoid, looking around suspiciously as if the trees are whispering secrets. One hunter, usually fearless in the face of wild animals, suddenly insists that he hears footsteps approaching from the darkness, only to realize it's just the rustling of leaves in the wind. Another swears he can see colors in the air, pointing at nothing and describing visions no one else can see. Munchies hit hard, a hilarious search for food as the effects intensify. The inevitable happens, the munchies hit, and hit hard. Suddenly, the Hadzabe warriors, who are usually disciplined hunters, are scrambling to find food. One starts gnawing on an unripe fruit, making a face of pure regret. Another decides that honey straight from the hive is the only thing that will satisfy his hunger, resulting in an unfortunate and painful encounter with some very unhappy bees. Some members of the group abandon the food hunt altogether and simply lie back, staring at the night sky in awe, mesmerized by the countless stars above. The sky is breathing, one murmurs, while another nods in agreement, though neither is sure what that even means. The aftermath, lessons learned? As the effects wear off, the Hadzabe men slowly regain their senses. The initial excitement fades into exhaustion, with some falling into deep sleep right where they sit. By morning, the previous night's events are recounted with laughter and disbelief. Some swear they'll never touch the stuff again, while others are still trying to make sense of what exactly happened. One elder shakes his head, muttering something about how their ancestors never needed strange smoke to connect with the spirits. Another, still half-dazed, claims that for a moment, he could hear the thoughts of the animals in the forest. Regardless of individual experiences, one thing is certain, this was a night they would never forget. An unforgettable experiment for a tribe that relies on their sharp senses and instinctual awareness to survive. The experiment with ganja was both an eye-opening and chaotic experience. While it may not become a part of their traditional way of life, it was certainly a night of laughter, confusion, and unexpected adventures. And as the sun rises once more over the African plains, the Hadzabe Bushmen return to what they do best, living off the land, hunting, and embracing the untamed spirit of nature. But deep down, they all know, that one night, for a brief moment, their world was turned completely upside down.
Denke.
Unoko titata omai kot ete. Utakwe kwe kwa ange tamabe wa ina tata kwe kwa.
Luto adamana.
Na kwe kotala.
Luto adamana.
Ka unoko afana kotala na kwe kwe kai eko.
Mba ikajili na kutesama.
Tabe amicho. Kwe kukwa te eko lakini micho chan. Hak ita shihete asa chikomila so.
Ikaw koka ditabe shaya api ite ko lamita tsu ay.
Dada michota. Iye amana nana kukakota iyeta isatsambiko kumbe nqonqonqone ko chikina sa nkhola
Kachuka abamiyangela ungui.
Samila so bobo ko wo oko.
Abamimba uwe.
Hawa khona umnaika ho nako un.
Benama Hongkongo ika Saadi neko kuti atle otsakon qocheti koita agala mina nchini.
Ujue hii mashaka yako ametutsuita hapa.
Nena kota.
Sasa.
Sasa.
Kuni akaite.
Sasa.
Abu teko ye.
Boko to kwa kaka amswaidi zwako nana ka to kwa kaka kate
Abi ama ka pinga
Ikiko ushuru.
kwa ta ko bena kama sala kwa bena kwa ya taka khata so te chele chuba bi kune ama
Nade ka o.
kako na chezabi.
ama
Cheke ya ni zabida kana.
Ale ana.
Kako kame sa kongo ale.
Naga milasa amana chiyani.
Ishayam. Ishayam. Ako kita musaika bada taha.
oh za
Za
kwa kwa te akaya leo